Hello, my name is Polina Nikova. I am a PhD student currently at the Bulgarian Academy of Sciences at the Institute of Biodiversity and Ecosystem Research. I am an invasive species biologist, but currently I'm working on a project with beavers. Um, the method that we tried to use to monitor beavers is with drones. So we wanted to use drones specifically because it would be a lot easier to monitor a lot of different places because beavers have naturally expanded from what currently we believe that they've come from the south, from Romania, where they have reintroduced their populations, crossed the Danube, and we can now find them in Bulgaria. So using drones, we want to use that as a rapid method to figure out all the new places that beavers can be found. And that is a lot quicker compared to doing it on foot because what we specifically tested is doing 300-meter transects at different locations with a drone, and then we did the same on foot and marked all the places where we have seen beavers have nibbled on trees. And we found, well, first of all, that doing a video with a drone for 300-meter transect takes us about 5 minutes, while doing it on foot it takes us from 30 minutes to up to an hour. So first of all, it's much more quicker. And also, we found that using a drone might not be the most reliable thing in terms of quantitative data on beaver activity, but it can be reliable for qualitative data, which is what we are mostly focusing on. And we believe that this method will be used in future monitoring efforts now that the beaver is an established species in Bulgaria. Hopefully it will come under protection in national law that will involve continuous monitoring in the future, and hopefully our method will be used to do that.